Chapter 73, Protecting the Spirit of Resistance 3. Also, you have ulterior motives after the fact. After the incident, you only need to contact the Academic Affairs Office of the Mystery Branch and release the complete video on their official account. How could this matter have caused such a commotion then? At this point, Wen Xinglin let out a cold laugh. I don't want to talk about the shady dealings within the Mystery Branch. You guys are free to fight. However, the premise of fighting for it was that you had to maintain a fair heart. Remember, you are the teacher first. Only then would there be conflict of interest. After he said his piece, Wen Xinglin turned to the academic director, Yan Chen, and said, Wen Xiao has an undeniable responsibility in the handling of this matter. You guys can give an opinion on how to deal with the situation after we are done. All right, Principal Wen, Yan Chen replied. Principal Wen, Mr. Wen is indeed responsible. However, we should also deal with the student who crippled the student, right? Zhou Wenji, the vice chairman of the Extreme Branch Institute, said. A punishment in order to prevent similar incidents from happening again. Vice Principal Han Kingsong spoke. His words carried a lot of weight. Wen Xinglin laughed when he heard this. Ridiculous! Didn't you guys watch the video? Even this needed a minor punishment. What do you want our students to do in the future? If our students don't dare to resist when their opponents are intentionally trying to humiliate them, then why would we nurture such a student? Do I have to kneel when I see ferocious extraterrestrial enemies in the future? If we have to punish even a student who had put up a resistance despite being intentionally humiliated, if we can't even protect the spirit of resistance sprouted from the intentional suppression and humiliation of the student, would the students still have the spirit of resistance when they face powerful invaders in the future? Would they still dare to resist? Where does the future of the Wuxia Genetic Evolution College lie if we do not have the spirit to resist? Where is the future of Wuxia? Where is the future of humanity? Principal Wen Xinglin was impassioned. He started a soul-like interrogation. Even the vice principal of the Extreme Branch Institute, Han Kingsong, could not refute such an interrogation. Zhu Tui would obtain complete victory if they got to that point. I propose that the school will release an announcement later. Wen Xiao will take responsibility and deal with the situation accordingly. These two students would not have any punishments. However, the teacher in charge of the faculty needs to have a word with them. What do you guys think? No objections? No objections. Wen Xinglin's decision was unanimously approved. However, the school committee was not done. When the meeting was about to end, Wang Rudy suddenly sent a document to Wen Xinglin. Principal Wen, look at this document. It is something that our disciplinary division had just investigated. A person who released a trending video on the campus is actually using the fact that he has a large number of fans as an excuse. He continuously released videos that misled the public and tried to influence the public opinion by extorting money from the students. Currently, we have investigated 3 cases. At least 2 cases are still under investigation. Wang Rudy's words were like a bomb. It instantly shocked everyone. What? How is that possible? Kong Linfang stood up abruptly. He had a look of disbelief. Wen Xinglin slowly flipped open the document. Is this true? Of 3 confirmed cases, other than Lion Jinshang's personal statement, we have a complete chain of evidence. The sum of money is as high as 900,000. That is a crime. He is a cancer of the school. Principal Wen Xinglin swiped his finger and shared the document with the other school committees. The school's publicity department is responsible for the trending videos. What does the school's publicity department say? Wen Xinglin's expression turned dark. Kong Linfang, the vice chairman of the publicity department, quickly flipped through the documents. He had a shocked expression. Why is he so daring? If you, as the vice chairman, can't manage the publicity department well, then head to the intergalactic battlefield and get the chairman to return in advance. Wen Xinglin's voice was very cold.